Good morning, kids. Today we will start with GK subject. In this video, we will continue our topic names of wild animals. Tiger, Tiger. Now we will learn how to write in cursive. Tiger, tiger. Deer, Deer. Now we will learn how to write in cursive. Deer, deer. Giraffe, Giraffe. Now we will learn how to write in cursive. Giraffe, giraffe. Now it's time for homework. In homework, you have to write each spelling in each page. In each page, you have to write 2 lines of each spelling. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.